The Axminster Trade Ultimate Edge is a new way of sharpening, linishing and polishing. Its ability to produce fast, repeatable sharpening on all your edge tools makes it the ultimate sharpening system. Unlike other belt sharpening machines, the Ultimate Edge has the ability to run in reverse, which we believe gives you greater control, generating less heat and ultimately giving you a better edge. The Ultimate Edge comes complete with the Compound Jig and angle gauge. This jig has the familiar round bar in ground silver steel to allow many of the Tormek jigs to be mounted. A clever system of sliding the bar in two directions in one operation is employed, locked with just a twist of a handle. The variable speed 560 watt brush motor produces plenty of power, but also offers you greater control when sharpening delicate carving tools or when producing a secondary bevel. Extraction ports result in a cleaner working environment when connected. The honing guide assembly is designed specifically to get the ultimate edge on your plane and chisel blades. Here we are grinding the 25-degree primary bevel. Use the angle gauge to set the standard chisel projection and the compound jig bar at 25 degrees and lock in place. Use the variable speed control to set your speed. Use a faster speed for quick stock removal. Move the chisel along the bar, applying only light pressure. To avoid overheating, quench the blade regularly. Like all sharpening, it's important to go through the grits. Here we are starting with a 120 grit to regrind and square up the blade. Changing the belts couldn't be easier with the toolless system. For a finer grind, work through the grits to produce the desired grind. To produce the primary bevel, we are using a 400 grit belt. Once a satisfactory primary bevel is achieved, change the belt to a finer 3M Trizac belt to produce your secondary bevel. Use the setting gauge to set at 30 degrees. Reduce the speed for less stock removal. An even secondary bevel is achieved almost instantly. Once your bevel is produced, use a leather strop to remove the burr. Your chisel will now have the ultimate edge. The ultimate edge also has the ability to clean up your blades. Using the unique twist and fix arbor and various accessories, you can have your blades looking like new in no time. It's important not to touch the sharpened edge or the back of the chisel when doing this. Sharpening your plane blades are achieved in much the same way. Secure the blade in the honing guide. Use the angle gauge to set the standard plane projection and the compound jig bar at 25 degrees for the primary bevel and lock in place. We use a 120 grit belt to regrind and square up the blade. We then go through the grits to obtain the primary bevel. Change to a finer 3M Trizac belt for your 30-degree secondary bevel. Making sure you reduce the speed. The burr of the blade can be removed in various ways. Here we are using the Axminster Rider's sharpening station, utilising the 1000 grit diamond stone and the leather strop. The Ultimate Edge, the new way of fast repeatable sharpening, exclusively from Axminster Tools and Machinery.